Hello Petals and welcome to today's video. I'm kind of laid down because I've only just got up. It's about 6:30, so I thought I'd start vlogging. I was up earlier, so I haven't only just got up, but I've not actually got up, if you know what I mean. So I'm up, but I'm not out of bed yet. So my hair's still a mess. I'm still yawning. Sorry about that. So, actually what I wanted to say was about my camcorder. I was recording earlier, but then the whole screen froze, so I couldn't click anything, it wouldn't switch off. I think the camera's broken because I've had it like 3 years. But before it did die or crash or whatever, I did actually get footage off the camera. A couple of old videos. So I'll be showing some clips of those. Maybe in this video, maybe in the next one. I'm not sure, maybe it was in the last one. When I'm recording this video I was currently editing something as well, but I'm not sure when to upload it. Sorry, I'm still yawning. Still late. I'm up early. I'm still tired. But I don't know what else to say. So I was just deciding whether or not to go out today or not. I'm not sure if I want to go out. Just for like dinner or something. Just to a cafe or a coffee shop. I'm deciding what to wear at the moment. I don't know. I've got a few suggestions laid out. I don't know if I want to go out. It's currently about 10. I'll wait a little longer, see if I feel like going out in a bit. At the moment I don't feel like going out. Although I was gonna do a bit more to this part of the video, but I'm tired now, and it's only 10 in the morning. Hello Petals, so I have a little friend to make. Come here. Come on, jump down. Come here. She's not coming. She's just over there. I don't know if you can see her. I can see her head. Straight at the edge of the screen. Pepper, come here. Come here. Jump. Can you not get down? Is it too early to jump? That's it. Come here, sit next to me. Sit. Sit. Where are you going? Sit down. Sit down. Pepper, come here. Come here. Don't go in my bathroom. So little Pepper's joining us today. She's just exploring. Pepper, no, that's your Christmas present. Leave it alone. So she's just exploring the house. You can't go out there. I shut the door so she won't go out. Just watching her walk around. Pepper, don't lick the floor. She's gone in the dark. You can't really see her. Pepper, out my bathroom. Come here. Come here. Come here, sit there. Don't lick my carpet. Don't you dare jump up on those shelves. Pepper, stop it. You little dog trying to see what's on the shelves. Pepper, come here. Now sit down. Pepper. Pepper, stop it. Sit down. Good girl. You were supposed to face this way though. So that's Pepper, she's facing backwards. But if you come for a little time, are you rubbing your eyes? She needs to go outside. I'm gonna pause the video here. So I took Pepper downstairs for toilet because she really needed to go out, and then I gave her breakfast. So I got my own breakfast as well. It's just cereal bar and a milkshake. I don't usually have much for breakfast, so that's what I got. What else? I hope you enjoyed Pepper's little visit. She wasn't really doing what she's told, and she'd been nosy looking at all my bookshelves and everything. I even had to carry her up the stairs to come in. She doesn't usually come in here. I think she was a little scared of it. So I'll check back in a bit. So I just woke up from a nap because I kind of fell asleep. It's now dinner time. So I just got quiche. It's bacon and cheese, and I've got my orange juice to go with it. So I'm just checking messages, and then I'm gonna have my lunch. So just a little update. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video and all the little clips. I'm not sure what I recorded, but I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!